Welcome to EF Pod English. Brought to you by EF Education First and Englishtown. Learn anytime, anywhere. Pod English Upper Intermediate 68. Religion. Today we're going to talk about different religions from around the world and what they mean to different people. Let's take a look at the movie. Jessica has just returned from a trip to Thailand, where she visited a Buddhist monastery.
So what was the most interesting thing you saw on your trip to Asia?
Well, in Thailand, I saw a Buddhist temple where thousands of monks actually live.
Fascinating. Did you get to talk to any of them?
No, they don't speak English, but I did try sitting and meditating with them.
I don't know that much about Eastern philosophy or religion. I was brought up Christian. What about yourself?
Actually, I'm Jewish, but my parents always taught me to try and respect and understand other religions.
I went to church as a kid, but my parents thought I should choose on my own what religion to follow when I became a teenager.
That's cool. Sounds like both our parents are pretty liberal about religious beliefs.
So, did you celebrate holidays like Christmas?
No, not in a spiritual way, but I do exchange gifts with my friends.
I guess for a lot of people, Christmas isn't much of a religious holiday anymore, is it?
Well, the world is changing. A lot of traditional customs and practices are altering or disappearing.
You think religion will cease to be important?
Maybe. But religion plays a big part in so many people's lives. Just ask the monks.
Let's look more closely at what Jessica and Erica said.
And I saw a Buddhist temple where thousands of monks actually live.
I saw a Buddhist temple where thousands of monks actually live. A temple is a house of worship, a place where people can go to meditate or pray. Buddhists often have temples.
I don't know that much about Eastern philosophy or religion. I was brought up Christian.
I don't know that much about Eastern philosophy or religion. I was brought up Christian. Eastern philosophy and religion comes from Asia.
Sounds like both our parents are pretty liberal about religious beliefs.
Sounds like both our parents are pretty liberal about religious beliefs. Here, liberal means that they are not strict. Jessica could make her own choices in life. In this part, we're going to listen to my description of a religious term, and then you have to guess what it is. What is the name for people who live in a monastery? Jessica met some in Thailand. The correct answer is a monk. Now, what is the name for a set of spiritual beliefs, values, faiths, and practices? That would be a religion or faith. And finally, what could be a building dedicated to religious ceremonies or worship? It could be a church or a temple. Well done for completing those exercises. Today we've talked about different religions from around the world. Thanks for joining me this lesson, and I hope to see you again soon.